Welcome to Hop Pop Rhymes. Hi, I'm Max. And I'm Coco. Let's learn our numbers today. 1 car. 2 balloons. Yes, 2 pink balloons. 2 is fun. 3 airplanes. 4 blocks. 5 turtles. 6 buses. 7 gifts. 8 stars. 9 bunnies. 10 apples. 10. Numbers are awesome. Subscribe for the next adventure. Bye-bye.